In Ontario, Canada, there is a project, Community Helping Community. So in this project, they have kept a few refrigerators in the community hall side or in the driveway, walkways, and in the common place. And people, if they need food, they can get from there, they can collect from there, and those who have access and they want to donate, and they can keep the food there. But there are some guidelines people have to follow, what they have to keep in the fridge, what not, and what is not acceptable. And I saw one fridge near YMCA premises, and I found that it's quite empty this time. Probably people might have taken the food from there. So I thought to fill it a little bit, and I bought carrot and potatoes, tuna fish cans, and everything. So we filled this little bit of that, and homemade food is not acceptable actually, because we do not know how the food is prepared, and there may be some people may have allergy with that, and there's no guidelines when you prepare the home food. But if you have a prepared food or packet food or canned food, at least there's certain guidelines, what are the expiry date and what are the contents. So actually, and if you want to donate money, so you can also donate to the community people, and that's what they can buy food and keep there. And it is really good for people who need food. They don't have to beg or starve, or to just come to the community fridge and you will find the food